So this is not for somebody that's looking to get out of their shop, right? This is somebody that, they're not going to cave to selling out to an MSO. Maybe they're frustrated with how things are going, but they don't want to throw in the towel yet, right?
Yeah, I think it's about, like I said, it's about being a part of something that's bigger than just you, and being able to collaborate with other shop owners, and be, so you're able to fight the consolidation that's happening around you, and be able to compete. It's definitely not for somebody that's ready to retire.
Right.
It's for somebody that wants to stay in the fight and be successful at it.
Yeah, I think there's plenty of shop owners that are, I keep referring to my age range, but there are a lot of shop owners I believe that they're kind of at their wits' end, and I know they think about selling out, but I know deep in their heart they still like repairing vehicles, they still like taking care of customers, and this to me seems like a good way for those guys to go, hey, we can still hang on to business. Maybe we can have somebody help us, guide us, coach us through the development we need to get where we want to go. And to me, I think it's a great lifesaver for some of the shops that have worked for 40 years and don't want to throw it in yet.